Loose Vietnam not launching, crashing, startup crash, black screen, not loading, freezing PC. Task 1. Restart PC and Steam. Completely close Hell Let Loose. Exit Steam from the system tray. Restart your PC. Open Steam again. Launch Hell Let Loose. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Hell Let Loose. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until verification finishes. Restart Steam. Number 3. Update graphics drivers. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after installing the driver. Launch Hell Let Loose again. If the problem started immediately after a driver update, consider using the previous stable driver. 4. Run the game as administrator. Open the Hell Let Loose installation folder. Find the game's executable file. Right-click it, select Properties. Open Compatibility, enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Number 5. Disable overlays. Disable the Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA AMD overlay features. Close MSI Afterburner or similar monitoring tools temporarily. Launch the game again. Number 6. Reset configuration files. Press Windows R. Enter Sent Local App Data %. Find the Hell Let Loose folder. Open Saved Config. Back up the config folder first. Rename the config folder to Config Backup. Start the game and allow it to create fresh settings. Number 7. Repair DirectX and Visual C++ components. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Repair, install the required Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Update DirectX components through Windows. Restart your PC afterward. Number 8. Disable full screen optimization. Open the Hell Let Loose installation folder. Right-click the game executable. Select Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply. Start the game again. Check Number 9. Check Windows Security and Antivirus. Open Windows Security. Check Virus and Threat Protection. Make sure the game has not been blocked or quarantined. Add the legitimate game folder as an exclusion only if you trust the installation. Also check Windows Firewall permissions. Number 10. Reinstall the game as a last resort. Back up any configuration files you want to keep. Uninstall Hell Let Loose through Steam. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game. Launch it before installing additional mods or overlays. Test whether the startup crash, black screen, freezing, or loading issue is resolved.